Installation app. You will need a Bluetooth-equipped smartphone or tablet to use the installation app. You can install the app on either Android or iOS products. Creating a login. You may have already been provided credentials. If so, please log in to the app with these credentials. If not, after starting up the app, tap the Sign Up option and enter your email address. Adding a gateway. From the home screen, tap on the plus sign, then tap on the gateway's text or icon that appears above it. The app will walk you through the steps of powering, adding, and registering the gateway. This process may take several minutes depending on the size of the firmware updates. Once the gateway has rebooted, you will be asked to name the station. The name will be included in the work order or chosen by the customer on site. You will then enter the gateway's location, select the data plan, agree to the terms and conditions, go through a final reboot, and then you will receive confirmation that the gateway has been activated. Adding an integrated sensor suite. After activating a gateway, you will be taken to the gateway screen. You can confirm you are in the correct gateway by looking at the name at the top of the screen. To add an integrated sensor suite or ISS, tap on the plus icon in the lower right corner of the gateway screen, and then tap on the weather station text or icon that appears above it. Select the model of weather station you are connecting. The app will then take you through the steps for setting up the ISS. Adding a node. In the gateway screen, tap on the plus sign in the lower right-hand corner, then tap on the node text or icon that appears above. The app will walk you through powering and activating the node. This may take several minutes to complete, depending on the size of firmware updates. Once the node has rebooted, you will be asked to name the station. The name will be included in the work order or chosen by the customer on site. You will then enter the node's location, select the data plan, agree to the terms and conditions, go through a final reboot, and then you will receive confirmation that the node has been activated. Adding sensors. Tap on the plus sign in the node screen, then tap on the sensor text or button that appears above. Tap on the sensor that you are adding, select the model of sensor. The app will then walk you through adding the sensor to the node. Follow the app instructions on which channels to use and lock the wires into the 6 wire sensors connectors using a screwdriver. The app will then register the sensor and confirm when it is connected. Note that you can only connect one sensor at a time. You will need to complete the complete process for each sensor.